The business world is constantly evolving. New technologies emerge, promising to reshape industries and redefine how we work. One such technological advancement is generative AI. This powerful form of artificial intelligence is rapidly transforming business operations, offering unprecedented capabilities for automation, innovation, and efficiency. Generative AI is not just another buzzword, it's a fundamental shift in how businesses can operate. From automating tedious tasks to unlocking new levels of creativity, businesses are only beginning to scratch the surface of what generative AI can do. This essay will explore the practical applications and benefits of generative AI across various business functions. We'll delve into real-world examples and highlight key tools like ChatGPT, DALL-E, and Power BI, showcasing how they are revolutionizing content creation, customer service, design, and data analysis. The future belongs to businesses that adapt and embrace these transformative technologies. By understanding the potential of generative AI and strategically implementing these tools, businesses can gain a significant competitive advantage, streamline their operations, and unlock new avenues for growth and success. Generative AI represents a new era of artificial intelligence. Unlike traditional AI systems that primarily analyze existing data, generative AI focuses on creating new content. It learns from data patterns to generate novel outputs, from text and images to music and code. Imagine a tool that writes marketing copy, generates images, or composes music for your brand. That's the power of generative AI tools like ChatGPT and Mid-Journey. ChatGPT generates human-like text for tasks like emails and social media. Mid-Journey creates stunning visuals from text prompts. This technology is a game-changer for businesses. Content is king in today's digital landscape. Businesses constantly need to produce high-quality, engaging content to attract and retain customers. However, traditional content creation can be time-consuming and expensive. This is where generative AI steps in, offering a faster, more efficient, and cost-effective solution. AI-powered tools like Jasper are specifically designed to assist with content creation. Jasper can generate various content types, including blog posts, social media captions, website copy, and even video scripts. Users provide Jasper with some basic information such as the topic, keywords, and desired tone, and the AI takes over, generating multiple content options in seconds. This significantly speeds up the content creation process, freeing up human writers to focus on more strategic and creative tasks. Moreover, generative AI can help businesses personalize their content at scale. By analyzing customer data, AI algorithms can tailor content to individual preferences, ensuring that each customer receives a message that resonates with them. This level of personalization can significantly improve customer engagement and drive conversions. In today's fast-paced business environment, providing exceptional customer service is paramount. Customers expect instant responses, personalized interactions, and seamless support across all channels. Generative AI is revolutionizing how businesses interact with their customers, enabling them to deliver superior customer experiences. AI-powered chatbots are now commonplace on websites and messaging platforms. These chatbots use natural language processing and machine learning to understand and respond to customer inquiries in real time. Unlike rule-based chatbots that often provide generic and unhelpful responses, AI chatbots are far more sophisticated. They can learn from past interactions, understand context, and provide personalized solutions, resolving issues quickly and efficiently. Furthermore, generative AI can analyze customer data such as purchase history and browsing behavior to anticipate customer needs and proactively offer support. For example, if a customer frequently purchases a particular product, the AI system can automatically send them a notification when it's time to reorder or alert them about special offers related to that product. Data is the lifeblood of modern businesses. Generative AI is transforming data analysis, making it faster, easier, and more intuitive. Microsoft Power BI, enhanced with AI, exemplifies this transformation. It connects to various data sources, transforming raw data into interactive dashboards and reports. Power BI leverages AI to uncover insights and generate natural language summaries. This empowers businesses to make data-driven decisions and gain a competitive edge. The integration of generative AI into business functions is in its early stages. Early adopters are reaping rewards, experiencing increased efficiency and reduced costs. AI enhances customer satisfaction and allows focus on higher-level tasks. The future belongs to businesses that embrace change and leverage AI. Generative AI is a catalyst for business transformation. By integrating AI, businesses unlock new levels of efficiency and innovation.